Nadia loves to make cupcakes! One day, she decides to make a bunch for Sarah, Sweeney, and Katie. In the first hour, she bakes 8 cupcakes. Morgan and Sarah Chu sneak into the kitchen and eat 2 cupcakes each every hour. Each hour that she bakes, Nadia gets more experienced and bakes 25% more cupcakes. In the second hour, she bakes 10.
How many cupcakes will Nadia have at the end of 10 hours?
This problem illustrates what is called a geometric sequence. In a geometric sequence, consecutive terms have a common ratio. That is, you can divide any 2 consecutive terms in a geometric sequence and get the same answer each time. Our problem is a geometric sequence because the number of cupcakes that Nadia bakes each hour increases at a constant rate. She bakes 25% more each hour. To find the total number of cupcakes that Nadia bakes, we need to add the terms of the geometric sequence, or how many cupcakes she bakes each hour, together. For this, we use the formula for the sum of a finite geometric sequence. Because the sequence ends after 10 hours, it is finite. The formula is S sub n equals a sub 1 times 1 minus r to the nth power over 1 minus r. N is the number of terms, or in our case, the number of hours, 10. A sub 1 is the first term, or how many cupcakes were made in the first hour, 8. R is the rate, or common ratio. In our case, Nadia bakes 25% more cupcakes than the previous hour. R would not be 0.25, rather 1.25, because she bakes the same number of cupcakes as the previous hour, plus 25% of that number. Finally, this equation does not yet account for the 4 cupcakes eaten each hour by Morgan and Sarah Chu. Therefore, we need to subtract 4n, or 4 cupcakes per hour, times the number of hours. Finally, we plug all of the values into the equation to get S sub 10 equals 8 times 1 minus 1.25 to the 10th power over 1 minus 1.25 minus 40. We only need to plug this into a PGC to get do 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 226 cupcakes. Plus a little batter left over, because when you solve the equation you get a decimal. She would have had 266 cupcakes if it weren't for Morgan and Sarah.
Maybe we shouldn't have eaten so many cupcakes.
They were so good.
The end. shouldn't have. Okay, I think we have to do that again. That'll be in the bloopers. Okay. So now, okay, just hang out there for a second, okay? That's so funny. Okay. Okay, now